Hey, it's Jeremy from Retro Shop, and today, back in the back here, we have my 25 Ram 1500. This is a bighorn, so it came with the factory reflector LED headlights, and we've changed these to the Alpharex Nova series. These are the Alpha Black, and let's go ahead and turn on ignition. So as you turn on the ignition, we can see the startup sequence for the Alpharex headlights. And then I've set them to an amber DRL so that they'll match my backlit amber DRL fog lights. Those are from Diode Dynamics. So let's go ahead and do the left turn signal while we're on this side. So you can see we have a nice sequential turn signal here. Let's go back to DRL. And let's go in front here. And let's go ahead and do low beams. All right, so on low beam, all four of the projectors light up. Let's go ahead and hit high beams. So high beams, the two outers will go to high beam mode. So let's keep it on low beam there, and we're going to turn around and just kind of show what the output looks like against the wall here. So we're only about 10 feet away from the wall, so nothing crazy there, but here's our low beam. Let's go ahead and hit highs and go back. Okay. Let's go ahead and shut everything off, and we'll see what these look like while they're off here. So one thing you will notice, there is a slight delay when shutting off ignition before they will shut off themselves. Okay, there we are, finally. So, here once again, let's go ahead and brighten this up just a little bit. There we are. So they fit really nice. They sit really nice against the fender and everything there. So, all right, so that's part one. We're going to go ahead and flip the truck around. We're going to throw some Alpharex taillights on here, and, well, we'll do another video for that. If you guys have any questions about the Alpharex headlights, feel free to reach out to us. We sell these as well. That's why we're testing them on our truck here. Thank you very much. Hey, it's Jeremy from Retro Shop, and we're going to show you some taillights on the 25 Ram 1500. These are the Alpharex taillights. Let's go ahead and turn the parking lights on. We can see we have our startup feature here. Okay, so that's our parking light feature now after the startup mode. And let's go ahead and let's hit the left turn signal. Okay. Let's shut off the turn signal and the parking light. Let's go ahead and hit the brakes. Okay. Next, we're going to start the truck. Don't laugh. I know it's a hurricane. Whatever. Start the truck and put it in reverse. Yeah, that's cute. Let's put it in reverse. Okay, so here, reverse on these. There's the bottom one here. Still have brakes up here and here. And of course, we also have the Diode Dynamics C1Rs down there. So we've got a little bit of additional braking lights. Let's go ahead and put it back in park and shut her off. Nobody wants to hear that. Okay, so that's our quick overview of these taillights on our Night Edition Bighorn. They blend right in. Looks pretty spiffy. If you guys have any questions or would like to purchase, feel free to reach out to us via the methods listed in the post. Thank you very much.